Where did we find such men? We find them where we've always found them. In our villages and towns, on our city streets, in our shops and on our farms.
Summoned a degree of courage that stirs wonder and respect and an overpowering pride in all of us.
It recognizes gallantry that goes above and beyond the call of duty.
We may not always hear of their success, but they are there in the thick of the fight, in the dark of night, achieving their mission.
Yes, we are back and we return to this game. After how many months? I don't know. I completely forgot. I'll figure it out later. Dude. Yes, we are back to this crazy game. And time to place down our forces. Let's place that there. We gotta make infantry. We gotta make some, what we can make here for our... We gotta make factories to make tanks. Yo, we really trying to get out this room right now, dude. But bruh. Alright. Boom. Here we go. Now we gotta make the repair factory. Boom. Now research factory. Right here. Boom. Pretty much we got everything. Alright. So now the flag point. You can see we have tanks surrounded everywhere. While these boys are getting doing what they're doing right now, we get this squad right here to attack these trains. You see, these are German supply trains. We have to take them out. All right. So without further ado, ultimate assault on train. Let me bring this over. Come on over, boys. Blow everything up. Blow the train factory up. Now, while we're at it, let's get a little squadron over here. Couple rockets, couple medics, machine guns, and then some snipers. Because why not, right? Get 2 Shermans. Make it 3, actually. There we go. Get 3 Shermans. We're gonna need these Shermans out here. There goes there goes 1 Sherman. Here comes the 2nd Sherman. All right, boys. We're making a little convoy out here. We're getting some troops rattled up. See, I'm gonna divide them into 1 division. So, all right. This is Captain Fox division, which is also known as Fox Squad. Cause, come on, I'm not called Captain Fox for no reason. What happened to our other tank? Where's the other guy? Oh, he's right here. Oh, snap. That's German infantry. Well, I'm gonna break this tank right here to take care of it. Why are you yelling? What are you doing? Alright, he wanted me to give him some blow. He wanted me to show him some attention. You die? Yeah, what? Doing too much. But bro, there's a tank. I mean, focus on him. He's hitting you with a rocket launcher. Alright, the Shermans arrived just in time to blow up everything. Alright, we got our 3 Shermans. Let's get them across these roads right here. They're gonna lead the pathway. See, our tanks here are gonna be leading the path for the infantry. So our infantry is gonna come on in at this point. Bruh, I don't know if he's okay right now, because he really want me to, like, do something for him or something. I don't even know. Artillery cannon. Yeah, let's get one of those. Artillery cannon. Yeah, get one of those flamethrowers out here. Flamethrower tanks, you know. That actually sounds pretty freaking cool. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hold up. Make this into one big squad. You guys gotta follow in right here. See, these tanks are gonna go ahead of them, you see? Because I don't want, alright, millimeters. M2s. So, M2s, not that strong. Range, alright. Firepower, as you can see, these are not that strong. These are most likely against infantry, but these are pretty strong. Artillery seems to have some effect. And anti-tank guns. Let's get one of those out here, because an anti-tank gun... Dude, I don't... Alright, sorry about that. Kinda had to let my cat out because he was making too much noise. He wanted to go out. Alright, why is this Sherman on the flag right here? Alright, infantry has arrived. Our flamethrower tanks here. Oh, 2 of our flamethrower tanks. Anything else? Anti-tank gun is arriving right where we need it. Now, more firepower. We have more tanks spread out through the map, which is right here. I'm gonna get some of these guys to follow in. These are different types of guys, but they will be following in immediately after. Hold up. Let me get this. There's one big squad here. We get this guy. We're here. Everyone clear out. These tanks will be over here guarding this area, this flag. These 4 tanks. You can see they're rolling out to the area. Alright. Get these 3 boys over here to help out. So with these things here, I can reconnect and then unconnect the field. There's already a guy right here. Is that... Well, I don't know. Our tanks are gonna take care of him anyway, so... Boom! He's already done. We got him. Alright, if we can capture a tower, that would actually be pretty great. How do we get under attack over here? Get out of dodge. Oh my goodness. I should have never left this unprotected. That's on me. Alright, let me just send these guys over here. I'm over here. Yeah, they gotta defend this area right now. He hit a mine. Oh my gosh. Dang. Man, he hit a mine. I need someone to capture the CP. Unless I can get this guy over here. Where? Over here. There is minefields right here. Move in. Go. Annihilate the enemy right here. There we go. One guy dead. So is that all of them? No, there seems to be some German activity over here too. Go over here. That is a minefield, as you can see the sign. Alright. 2 of these are going up ahead. Let's go. As you can see, our boys over here, pretty much ready. Now, this anti-tank gun, I'm actually gonna leave right here. And these infantry guys, bring it over here, bring this truck over here. I'm gonna load the infantry within the, oh, you guys got that, right? Yep, they got that. I'm gonna hop in the, Jeep here, there we go. Hop in that. Get as many infantrymen in there as possible. Is that all our infantry? No, wait. There's still a couple guys right here. Where are we under attack now? Oh, that's full. Yeah, they're just defending this area. Come on, you guys can take care of that. Why are you relying on me? Alright, whole thing's filled up. Now I know the next location is right here. Yep. Alright. Full assault right up here. You guys are gonna need extra help. So reinforcements are on the way. Right as we speak. Tons of rockets. Tons of infantry. Right on your way, boys. Don't worry about it. I got some medics for the soldiers if they need it. Alright. Oh, battle against the Germans. Yep. Oh, I think we just lost our truck with our infantry in it. Oh my gosh. Alright. Come on. Wonder assault here. Ooh. Boys, open fire. You guys gotta open fire. Open fire. Attack. Attack. Alright. Take them out. Take out the infantry, boys. Annihilate every last one of them. There we go. Boom. Take them out. Just annihilate what they have. Blow it all up. We need more infantry over here. Well, the infantry's already on their way. But I guess we can handle this right here. Yep, we got this. We're blowing up everything right now. Yep, boom. Explode their train factory. They cannot get any sort of supplies. There we go. We got one more. And I'm pretty sure that's the most heavily defended one. The one that's over there is the most heavily defended. Where? Whoa, hold up. I gotta go over here. I gotta put my camera over here. Because these suckers be over here getting attacked. Where? Oh, I see the enemy. Over here? Why is there an enemy guy right next to our thing? Let me go, I'm gonna take care of that, would you? Yeah, just... Then while you're at it, have another tank up there to defend that thing. Alright, our convoy is here. Well, not all the infantry is here. Here is the infantry. Took you guys long enough to get here. Just waiting on you. You know, we was over here fighting for a while. Trying to destroy some stuff, but we did. We successfully taken out 2 of their supply transports. It had German supplies in it. Now we gotta take the last one, which is all the way over there. Pretty freaking far away. Well, I'm gonna get as much guys as I can. My gosh, I'm trying to get as much guys as I can. Load it up. We're gonna make our way all the way to this next train supply. Okay. Yes, I know. Just destroy the enemy when you see him. Because right now I'm having problems. Alright. Alright. These boys apparently don't want to move. Keep making your way over here. There you go. Make your way over here. I can actually call a bomber strike. Well, no, I can't. Not until So I can call an artillery strike. But I'm gonna need them to get closer to do that. Now we're gonna need to call in a lot of rockets. And some infantry takeouts too. Not only that, we're gonna need some mortar. We're gonna need a mortar for sure. Definitely a mortar. Gonna need a mortar at our disposal. Repair thing? Nah, we don't need it. Not now at least. Yeah, I bet. You guys are over here? Yeah, here goes the convoy. Well, not the convoy, but the, you know, our army just moving out. Captain Fox Army, baby. Captain Fox Army moving out, baby. U.S. Marines Fox Squad, alright? The U.S. Marines right here. Not the Marines, but the, you know not. These guys are really over here? Wow. What's up? Let's get him to capture this CPU right here. See if this tank can go up there and check it out. See if it's clear. See him coming down. Here he comes. Get the boy over here. Let's see if it's nice and clear. Oh, no, it's not. How are you missing? Just hit him. Crazy, hit him. Him. Yes. Oh my gosh. I was like, how are you missing him? You're right in front of him. Alright. We have tons of infantry like on their way from over here on this side. And then we got infantry coming from this way. Like, do you see the massive army we got cornering the Germans right now? Oh, and I dropped a whole bunch of stuff. But we have our boys cornering the Germans into one corner right now. Oh, our boys over here is already engaged the enemy. Alright, line them up. You sure don't want to disregard that? Disregard that. Let them take care of that. Unless that thing doesn't fight back. It's supposed to be for artillery. Dang it! Artillery destroyed. Ah, we lost our artillery. Be a distraction. Be a distraction. Yes, boys, you already know what to do. Get out there. Take care of those tanks. Take care of this. Go. Get the battle positions. Go. Move. Get these rocket troops to good use. Let's go. Move it. Spread out. Move it, boys. Push up. Get in there. Go. Move. In there. Alright. Fire. I need every trooper firing at something. You too. Get over there. Good. Get over there to the next train. Alright. How are boys doing over here? You hold this enemy off as long as you can. Oh, he's dead. Well, we still have a massive convoy coming over here. Oh, we almost got this over here already, though. Take these suckers out right here. Alright, they have too many men pushing up on our position and tanks. That is going to annihilate our forces if you don't... Well, actually, they're kind of outmatched, so... Yes, rocket troopers doing work. He's taking... Yes! Mission complete! Dude. Freaking mission complete, baby. We defeated the Germans. Taking out their transports. Alright. German transports have been annihilated. Alright. How many kills did we get? Infantry, 54. We have 54 infantry. US. And then Germans had like 20. Vehicles, we have 42. Cannons, 0. We lost all of our cannons. Mission points, 200. Alright. Well, I hope you guys loved that video. If you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell. I mean, we just took out the German infantry there. So, including their transports and the German tanks. We lost our artillery and cannons during the fight. But it was worth it But let me tell you something. We lost a lot of men. We took a lot of casualties and, well, let's just... Those poor souls can rest in peace now. How many casualties did we take? I know it wasn't no 50 casualties, sucker. We was losing a whole bunch of men. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. If you guys love the video, guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Peace with everybody. God bless. American forces have pushed back Germany. And now Germany is now trapped against American forces.